guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be doing a what's in my backpack video. You guys have been requesting me to do this video forever. I need to breathe. I was like all one breath. So I did a lot of these videos when I was in high school. I did one like every quarter and you guys love them. I get so many requests to do them now. I have not done one this semester and it's almost fall term is almost over, so sorry about that. You guys have been requesting me to do this video a ton. I made the background a little bit darker because every time I would hold my backpack up it would like wash me out because it's so dark. Then the lighting would just change, so sorry if the background's a little darker. You probably didn't even notice. So here's my backpack. It's just a black backpack that says Alpha Chi Omega. That's the sorority I'm in at ASU. So basically if you're in a sorority, on the day they'll give you a backpack like they did me, and like you'll wrap your sorority around campus with your backpack and with clothes like that. So this is from Allie and Ariel, which is like an online sorority and fraternity like kind of clothing website, and so that's where we got these from. They gave us these on bid day. I've done a few sorority videos if you guys want to go check those out. That's the backpack that I have. I really like it. It's a lot better than my last year's backpack, I honestly think. Oh, there's so many pockets in this. So in this first one right here, I have my keys. This is like my dorm room key and my mail key, and then here's like a Chick-fil-A gift card that I haven't used. My school ID in here. In that pocket as well. Oh wow, I have a lot of stuff. I have my earpods, which I really like. They are like the best thing ever, walking to class and things like that. I have a Burt's Bees chapstick. My camera battery is dying. Just like literally, like why? I have a green pen, a purple pen, a pencil, a black pen, an orange pen. I really like using color pens for my assignments and things like that. I just feel like it helps me pay attention to the good information. And this one right here, you can't even see because it's so dark. LOL. I have my glasses. I have had these glasses for a while. Case is just definitely broken. Oh, they're so dirty. I'm so sorry. Okay, that's me. And then, oh my god, I have so many pens and pencils. There's like a little pocket right here, as you can see, and that's where I put all my pens and pencils. Wow. I have two of these like little things that you like put in notebooks, like save your page. I don't ever use them. Okay, I have two pink pens, a dark blue, a light blue, another light blue, a pencil, a red pen, a pencil, and a pencil. That's a lot. Okay. Oh, I normally have a clicker in here, but I accidentally gave it to someone. There's another pocket in here, but I don't have anything in there. But yeah, I was like, I like started freaking out for a second. I'm like, where's my clicker? So in the big one, this is where all my like things normally switch out. Like I'll have my math notebook and my communications notebook one day, and then the next day I'll have like sociology and things like that. I actually am home right now, as you can tell in the background, so I have two things that I don't normally put in my backpack because they're really heavy and I leave them in my dorm room, but since I'm home I needed them. This one's my communications textbook, and then this one is my sociology textbook. I needed to do like an essay and then take some notes and things like that, so I brought them home. Don't normally bring them to classes because they're really heavy and we don't use them. My communications teacher actually like wants us to bring this to class every single day, and I'm like, girl, do you see how that thing's heavy? She heavy. This is my sociology textbook. I need to like take more notes and things like that, so that's why that's in here. And then I also have my pencil thing from last year. I just really like, I didn't think there was a need to get a new one, so I just have like pencils, pens, lead, things like that. I don't normally use this. I also have highlighter. I don't normally use this because I have so many pencils and pens in the front pocket. And then I have my calculator. This is the TI-84. See, my dogs are barking. Can you hear them? The TI-84 plus CE is cute and it's mint, and I use this for math so much. This thing is amazing. I don't normally have my laptop in my backpack. I just feel like there's no need for it. I don't like taking notes on my laptop. I like handwriting them just because I feel like it's like cuter and like it helps me learn better, and like I don't like typing, and I like don't type right. Like I literally like miss letters all the time, so I don't have that. And then that's pretty much all that's in here. Yeah. That's it. That was not exciting. Sorry about that. But I hope you guys liked seeing what's in my backpack. Sorry I rushed this video. My camera battery is dying. But I also barely had anything in there. So, oh my god, I normally have sunglasses in there too. Where did those go? Did they fall out? I think I lost a pair of sunglasses, but that's okay. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!